guys almost killed the cameraman.
If you want to see more of our videos, go to make huge snow sleds. Just adding some sleds, and that's it. Call number, and this is and I'm Eddie. This is Blake. This is Libby over here. This little kid right here is Blue, and also we have one more. Kid.
And that's Nikki, the adorable dog.
So we have one more kid, but he didn't came. He's my brother and nephew. And thank you for watching our show. And our YouTube video is going to be called. Fine. Our YouTube video will be called How to Build Awesome Sleds. Just providing other sleds. Thank you for watching.